Hello everybody, Piglet2 here, back to another command tutorial video. Today we're going to try doing some towers, at least one tower. So in making this is actually kind of a difficult thing to do. You need them to aim correctly and whatnot. I realized that doing an arrow probably a lot easier, but like, who cares? I forgot this the back. This is something cool I noticed I could do. Just put it on active, repeat. I don't know why you don't like doing that. Oh, I hit S. Now this just kind of looks cool. You want to turn it off a little bit though. You'd use it. Now how I'm doing that is basically switch of this doing summoning falling block summon command, which I'll go talking to today. And then some things where like the barrier, which is an invisible block, because air won't work. So you put barrier there, you can't see the block, which is good for summoning things like particles to fall along a path. Since the falling block is an entity, I can actually execute as and add it to summon a particle there. Push the bubble. So basically I'm just working on how to get a path to fall from the tower to a creeper that would happen to spawn. Now of course then I need to damage the creeper, or find some way of checking its health. So far I first like this one, just kinda summon some particles up here. I have storms in there. We'll talk about that later also. This one summons falling blocks that are barriers, as talked about before, and this one just summons the particles at that. So first of all, I want to create this and show it off, and then I'll go to tutorial on how to do it. Something I forgot to show you though was this new summon thing. So just summons which just summons a creeper. Sounds like with no AI or not. It summons up 2.15 blocks if I just do 2 or 5. If I do 2, it's inside the block. Do 3, it's floating, so just 2.5 from there. Because someone's at the middle of the block, which means it would be 1, 2, and the feet, it was still the feet are, so 2.5 would be on top. That's why. So for the tower quickly, you can make it as big joint. You can make it like a 1 block thing. You can get 3 by 3. So I'm gonna make mine varying sizes depending on how good it is. So like the archer towers, I'm probably gonna make it 1 by 1 block taller, 2 by 2. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so it took a while. I finally managed to make the design for it. So I got our tower here. And you get quite a few command blocks, which will be put under the map somewhere else eventually. Note the particles shooting this way, they'll be fixed in the future, probably in the part 2 of this. Because I'm gonna make part 2 on the towers. And one more thing, that this will eventually be made invisible, the armor stand. I'm making it visible. So, as you can see, we have our particles being shot into the air, which is 101. So if I summon a creeper, now the particles will go straight towards it. So that's going through it also. So like about let's just our current design, like particles that spawn will just go that way. And then of course we also need to make the damaging system. I mean I can punch them. And for them make the particles go away, because otherwise he kinda has like some nice feet. And maybe also make it so the particles actually go for the torso of it. It still aims for the creeper. You can tell. This will shoot out the particles and it will go towards the creeper. So it actually does the work. It's a working system. You can tell. All these command blocks do stuff for it, I believe. I don't think there's any unnecessary command blocks I have right now. It's actually not as complicated as I thought it was gonna be. Well, though I don't understand the command that I use, it just works. It's nice. Because I didn't understand how to do it. Now I finally do it. Aww. Usually, there it goes. Usually they won't shout gunpowder, they just kind of explode into the air. It's really cool. Okay, so I set the spawner for the things we're using to make them not invisible. So now I should be able to see the armor stands. Kill them all quickly. So you can tell the armor stands are deciding what it was. I was using following blocks earlier, so I thought I could make it follow a path, but I can't. But armor stands, as you can see, can change the direction they are facing, and they can change that direction towards the creeper. Now, this is done through a command, but let's go over to the basic system first. First of all, we have a spawning timer, which we call block timer. Because I was using blocks earlier, I'll probably change that. It's used by this, which is a score players add block timer. Timer's 1. Basically, just every tick adds 1 And fun fact, I was wrong. It's actually 20 ticks per second, not 60, I believe. This one will execute at Water Tower, which is the name of the armor stand within the actual tower. It executes when block timer is 20, basically. And then it summons a armor stand, 3 blocks above it, because it goes at the feet, so it should summon it, I think it's 1 block above the sea lantern, or we're in the sea lantern. And we call it water cannon for now. And then the invisible one is when you can't see it. I have it 0, so you can actually see the armor stands. So that does. And then this will just reset the block timer whenever it's 20. So you can just see that if I just go this way, it will execute whenever block timer is more or equal to 20. Let's see. This one controls the rotation, so it executes at the water cannon and teleports it to the same block it's in. Then it does facing entity, and then I have a couple things. It looks kind of complicated, but it's not. This part, sort nearest, just basically makes it sort to the nearest entity. Limit equals to 1, so you can only have 1 so that's actually required for this to make it only have 1. And this type, but it's not understand and not player. So it should follow any entity. So for example, I have something like a pig. So you want to make a pig an enemy in the future. The armor stands also follow the pig. So that's cool. And now they're spinning. Just kill them. Yeah. So it's weird, huh? Yeah. Get out of here, pig. No, pig. You're banned. You're in into the... Yeah, they can go through blocks either, also. Also, another thing weird that they do, when they're gunpowder, they just kind of spin in place. And they just kind of explode at the end. But anyways, going back to the commands. Guess I want a new creeper again. Let's actually kill him first. So if you want to, you can watch it work. So that basically controls the rotation to face the creeper. No. That's complicated. This is something I was going to do earlier. I actually don't need that. No. So this one is the one that basically summons the particles. So it executes as and then at the water cannon. And that particles, this bubble, spawns it at the location 0.1 to stay within that 1 block it's in. The speed is 0. You can make the speed faster or make it cooler or something. The amount is 8, so if I make it a speed 10, the particles are probably going to look different. I think. I don't know. Probably not. And this force. I know. You don't need force. You only need force. Forces here also have minimal particles on to see it. Let's see. So, if I like minimal particles on, it would go lower, I think. And force makes them have to see it. Okay. And the last command block that we have here is the controlling one that I don't understand. So this is execute as it, of course, and then it teleports it. I have no idea what these do. I'm pretty sure this is teleports to the location it's facing. And the last one is just 0.5. I don't know how this works at all. I just found it. It works. I'm assuming it does something good. That's cool. But it does work, so that's definitely a good thing. So you can tell they're not stuck in the creeper. So of course, that means there's one major issue is the damage system. Which I guess we can actually set up now because we have enough time. So you can see the stocking it, and once again, to make the sense invisible, let's go back to this command block and put invisible 1. And you can see they'll be invisible. Let's kill them all first. See, the particles are now invisible. Going into today, I did not think that was actually going to work at all, but it did, so yay. Of course, still have a live system going on and whatnot. But let's get to the damage system. So actually, first, before we do the damage system, we want to fix this issue where they're still spawning even though there's nothing there. It's just a basic fix. So I believe all I gotta do is really just go up in front Put an execute here. If entity any type equals not armor stand, comma, type equals not player, play this, and run. So now it won't go unless we have something down, which means something can spawn. So, that's good. Yes, I went there with the diamond shovel. Wow, that was loud. Now, of course, we also want to make a system, so, for example, we want to make it, like, instantly attack as soon as something comes out. Dang it, not like an XP orb. So, what we need to do is we need to place another command block down, probably back here. We execute unless entity ID type equals not armor. Sorry. If I don't know, comma. I was saying something else there. I don't know why I put if unless player. And I'm gonna run scoreboard players set what's it called? Block timer, I believe. It's on day actually, so I don't know. Timers. And then we're gonna want it to go to 19, so that one next block will run the command. Scoreboard objectives set display sidebar timers. So that should work. I don't know what it's doing. Okay. Yeah, I was correct the first time. It is unless, you fool. Shit, it's not currently spawning, doing the thing, because there's stuff there. As soon as we kill the pig. Oh. It doesn't spawn. So I'm quickly add something to type equals items. Type equals is it like an XP orb also? Oh. Orb? I think maybe it's kind of, hopefully it's included in item. So now if we like throw down gunpowder. It's still type, oh yeah, I fixed it in this one also. You're also gonna want to do it on this one. Type equals item. And then just in case something else happens, like, we're gonna include it here also. So like, if we kill something, boot off that item, which will probably be an included feature. Well, I don't want to do it, I end up doing it in the end. And then I don't go to the item. So throw that pig thing, it goes for it. If we spawn a pig, they go for it. Ah, crap, that pig's invincible. Oh no, what do we do? It has hacks. Hacks. Wait, yeah, I can just kill that. Oh, I killed a water cannon. Oh. Heck. With water cannon. I killed another water cannon. Water cannon. Kill at E. Type equals pig. I'm gonna kill all water cannons. I'm trying to show this to you, but let's see. So the experience orb, okay, yeah. So that means the only issue is the experience orb now, which can be annoying. But it should not be worried because the player isn't actually killing it itself. Everything else is. Like for example, this will be killing it. But you see, we now control it a bit better, so it can only sponsor. Now, it's also gonna need a system for. Well, actually, now that it should always just kill it on a hit. Now, we need one more command block though over here. So, unless so execute, unless entity at E type not armor stand, not player, and then of course type is not item, run, kill, at E, name equals water cannon. So if I spawn this, and of course doing a few things that kill it, and then we just kill that pig. Pig. And then of course they'll kill all the water cannons. Once again, if you put it over here. And of course we're probably gonna work the range on this also eventually. I can see it's kinda going over there, but if I just kill the pig, they'll disappear. And they're all gone. So that fixes the other issue. I just need to work the damage system. Okay, so actually that's gonna be it for today. The video's already getting pretty long. I just edited some stuff and with how long it's gonna be. I have to make the damage system, it's probably like 25 minutes long. And not only like that, making that long a video. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video of working on the tower defense, the command block tutorials. I hope you learned something. I definitely did. I hope you enjoyed. Next time we'll be working on the damage system and probably getting a few other towers up. Along with maybe some more mobs, just basically adding stuff. Until then, see you next time. Oh yeah, and follow me on Twitch and join my Discord. Both of those are in the description. Bye.